So when you're mapping with GMT, it's quite likely that you're running into some of these common problems. Biggest problem to understand is that by default, GMT assumes that longitude comes first and then comes latitude. The reasoning is that for any kind of coordinate system, you always give the horizontal coordinate or the x coordinate first, and then the vertical or the y coordinate. In geographic coordinates, latitude came first and then longitude. GMT in the very beginning made the design decision to hold true to the XY coordinates because it wasn't just mapping, but also dealing with XY plots. If you don't like it, however, or if your latitude is first in your file and longitude is after, you can use the option minus colon to reverse the order. Any GMT command that takes longitude and latitude or that takes coordinates can receive this option, and then the order can be reversed. Another problem is that the definitions of some command line arguments are really quite involved. I'm looking at you here, minus R and minus J, minus R for the region, minus J for the projection, minus B is another one. You've just got to read the documentation. This is the cost of having a powerful tool that allows you a lot of customization to the plots. And this is another problem that oftentimes people try to get away without reading the documentation. So don't do that. Start from the tutorial, then go through the cookbook and then the examples. That will get you into the habit of A, not starting from scratch, and B, building maps step by step rather than trying to do it all at once. And it'll also expose you to the many capabilities that GMT provides you with. All of that knowledge is also going to map into applications with PyGMT, which still doesn't offer the full capabilities of command line GMT.